In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Kit. We'll walk through the entire process from the moment you log in, all the way to publishing and sharing your landing page. By the end, you'll have a live page that can start collecting leads or signups for your business, product, or newsletter. First, from your Kit dashboard, look for the main navigation and go to Grow, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is the area where all of your lead capture tools live, and it's where you'll be able to see, edit, and manage every landing page you create going forward. Once you're on the Landing Pages and Forms screen, look for the option to create something new. Click on Create New, and then select Landing Page. This tells Kit that you want to build a dedicated page, rather than just a form or any other type of asset. Next, you'll see the Kit Template Gallery. Here, you can browse different pre-designed layouts that are optimized for things like lead capture, event registrations, simple sales pages, or waitlists. Take a moment to choose a template that matches your goal and your brand's general style. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You can customize it in the next step. Once you've found one you like, select that template to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, customizing your landing page is very straightforward. Click on any text to edit it directly. Replace the placeholder headlines and paragraphs with your own message, such as what you're offering and why it matters. Do the same for image areas. Just click on an image to change it, upload your own visuals, or choose from any available options. As you go, think about clarity and simplicity. Make sure your main call to action is obvious and your text is easy to scan. If you're offering a lead magnet, like a free guide, checklist, or downloadable resource, you can set that up next. Click on Settings, then go to Incentive. Here, you can upload your lead magnet file or configure what new subscribers receive after they sign up. This step is optional, but it can dramatically increase conversions by giving people a clear reason to join your list. When you're happy with how everything looks and functions, it's time to make your landing page live. Click Publish. Kit will generate a unique URL for your new page. Copy that URL and you can now share it anywhere, in emails, on social media, or on your website, so you can start driving traffic and capturing leads right away.